evening, Indira Shah here. Today I want to show you how to make kadugogre. Kadugu means mustard, okay? This is also called as Varalu Chitra Anna. Varalu means the grinding stone, or in Tamil we call it as article, okay? So this is kadugogre or Varalu Chitrana. This will be a very tasty and very easy way of making. For that you need cooked rice. Here the rice has been cooked and each grain is separate, and I have kept it for cooling, okay? And to mix the chutney, that we mix it with the rice, is coconut. I have taken 1 cup of coconut, and here 2 spoons from this mustard, okay? And then this is jaggery according to taste. And for this amount of coconut, I have taken this much tamarind. And here 2 varieties of chili. This is Salem chili, which gives the pungent taste, and this is Badgi, which gives color. Now what we should do is, we have to grind all these things raw. You are not going to fry, okay? And then for garnishing you need again mustard, then turmeric, then groundnut seeds, then curry leaves, and then chana dal, okay? Now let me grind these and come back to you. When you grind these, first you should grind the mustard, okay? Here the mustard has been grounded. Now add the coconut. Then add the salt, the required salt for this chutney. Then add asafoetida, that is ingu. Okay. Now add the tamarind. Everything is raw, okay? Now add the red chili, but I will be cutting it into small pieces. I have cut the chili. Now add the jaggery. Now grind them to a fine paste, okay? Here this chutney is ready, okay? Now let us keep about 3 to 4 spoons of oil, the normal oil in kadai, for garnishing. Let me add a spoon of haldi. Now add mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackles, add the chana dal. Let chana dal turn pink. Now add groundnut seeds. Let the groundnut seeds also turn pink, otherwise that will remain raw. Now add the curry leaves. Now keep the flame on sim mode. Now add the chutney what you have grounded. Add them completely. And just fry for about 5 minutes, not more than that. When you eat this Varalu Chitrana or kadugogre, you get that mustard taste. That will be really yummy, really yummy. And now you can taste the what you call the chutney, what the gojjur, whatever it is. If you want to add more what you call tamarind or more salt or more red chilies or the jaggery, you can add it. Okay, you can taste it. See, this is 5 minutes over. I am putting off the stove. Now what you do is, you have to mix this with the cooked rice. So I'll only first mix it with the half chutney. Then if you need it, you can always add. Okay. Actually this Varal Chitrana or whatever rice you mix it, it should be mixed at least an hour before you eat it. Okay, only then the masalas, whatever you are putting, the rice will be able to take it. You should get well blended with the rice, the masalas. Actually, this should be mixed with the hand. But since the chutney is hot, I am not mixing it with my hand. Otherwise, the mixing will be proper. So let me add some more chutney. And this chutney you can store it in the refrigerator. So whenever you want, whenever you feel like eating something sour, sweet and hot, spicy, this is the best option. As I told you, mix an hour before you eat for the best result. Now mixing is done. Let me put it in a serving bowl and show you. The Varal Chitrana or Kadugogre is ready. This will be very tasty. You will get that mustard taste. This is certainly an awesome dish and very easy to make. You can make the chutney and store it in an airtight container or a Ziploc cover. Whenever you want, you can just mix it with the rice and eat it. Okay? Please prepare this and give me your sincere feedback. This is Indira Shah here. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel on YouTube in the name of Indira Shah. So please tell your friends also to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. This is Vitvela.